All right, just a quick tutorial on the quant data. It's still getting worked on, and I'm still kind of figuring it out. But as of right now, um, automatic feeds on halts on any stock that has halts, and then unusual options. So this is just another addition to flow. The great thing about this is it shows if it's bid side or ask side, but it does show puts, calls, premiums, volume, open interest. So you can just read through these and determine if it looks good to you. Now, if you want to fully utilize it, and again, I'm still learning it myself, just first click slash, and then once that slash comes up, you can scroll and find quant data, and you have all this information. So if you want to click, the dividends calendar, you can click dividends calendar, whatever, dividends today, all this earnings. But as far as like flow, you can go to wherever it is, flow, right? You can do it by ticker, and let's just do like AAL. You can do, or we can even just do, that's it, just flow AAL, and then it's gonna give you all this information um, right away. So again, slash find quant, and then there's all these options that you can use um, from this channel. So if for fib, we can try this as well. So this gives you the fib for 52 weeks. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm still working on it. It's gonna get better, but this is just more of a basic tutorial. All right, thanks.